Welcome to another Wise Maths and Science video. We have a diagram here which shows a quadrilateral OACB. M is the midpoint of OA, N is the point on BC, such that B to N to C is 4 parts to 5 parts. So let's see if we can put some information down over there. So that is going to be 4 parts. That's going to work out to be like 4 parts. Let's write that in comparison over here to 5 parts. So I guess it's 4 out of 9, and then this is 5 parts out of 9. Okay, right. Let's have a quick look at some of the other material over there. O8 is A, so all of that. So therefore, and OB is B. So let's label this. That's going to work out to be a vector B. AC is KB. So let's go in that direction. This is K lots of. That's a scalar of B. Where K is a positive integer. Okay. Express Mn in terms of K, A, and B. So we know that this is the midpoint. So I guess from M to A, let's go in this direction. This is going to have the vector A, and that's from O to A, that is. Okay, M to N. Let's have a quick look at that. Before we do anything, I suggest let's quickly work out what B to C is. Let's quickly write B to C over here. B to C, starting from B, going up to C. We should end up going backwards against the arrow, so it's going to be B to O, and then O to A, and then plus A to C. Now B to O will go against the arrow, so it's minus B. Then it's going to be plus A. Then it's going to be plus KB, plus KB. Let's put that as a vector. We leave it like that for now. That's BC. Right. Let's work out what we're trying to do over here. Mn. Let's work this out. Let's write that down over here. Mn is equal to, let's go MO. And then what we'll do, we'll continue on over for O to B. And then what we'll do, we'll go B to N. All right, that's fine. So M to O, we're going against the arrow, and it's the midpoint over there. So it's going to work out to be a minus a half A. Then O to B is going to be a plus B. Then B to N, which is the same as BC, but it's 4/9 of it, plus 4/9 of BC. Let's write that in. So therefore you end up with minus a half A, plus you've got B over here, plus you have 4/9. Let's open this bracket. You're going to get a minus B, you're going to get a plus A, and then you're going to get plus KB, plus KB. Let's put that in. Let's expand and simplify that out to get minus a half A plus the B. That's actually a minus over there. Let me just put a minus over this. Will be a minus 4/9 B. Minus 4/9 of a B plus 4/9 of an A plus 4/9 of KB. Now let's combine the like for like terms. Over here, what we have, let's combine this. You've got your A term here, you've got an A term over there. So let's get a common denominator. You've got 2 there, you've got a 9. Let's make it into 18s then. That's going to work out to be minus, let's times that by 9. So it would be minus 9 over 18. Minus 9 over 18A. Plus double that. That's going to be 8 over 18. Lots of A. That's the A sorted out. Let's have a look at the B's. I guess we should just make them also into the same denominators as well. So that's going to be a 9. So that's going to be 18 plus 18 over 18 b minus double that, that would be minus 8 over 18 b over here, and I've got one more term over here, double this one, so denominator double the top numerator, plus that's going to be 8 over 18, lots of kb, lots of kb. Now I'm underlining all these vectors over here. Now these two are like for like terms, so it would be minus 9 plus 8 because the denominators are the same, so I'll end up with minus 1 over 18. I'll end up minus 1 over 18 lots of a. And then over here you have got 18 minus 8, which will give you 10 plus 10 over 18 lots of b. That's these two terms combined. Then plus you've got 8 over 18 lots of kb. Now what we'll do, let's factorize this for 1 over 18. If you factorize this, take out 1 over 18 as a common factor, you will end up getting minus 8 inside here. Now taking 1 over 8, you've got plus 10b over here, and then you've also got a plus 8k over here, 8k, also the b as well, and that's it. And that should be your answer. This is for mn. That's what it's asking for, mn in terms of a, b, and also the k over there. All right, that should be our answer. Now let's have a look at part b then. It says, is mn, is it parallel to OB? And my answer to that is going to be no. Okay, it's not parallel, no, as I'm going to write down OB doesn't contain the vector A. Because if you have a look at this one, mn, that contains like a vector A. But OB is only in terms of B. There's no A element in there. All right. Thank you. I hope you've benefited from this video. Thank you. Please do share, like, and subscribe, as it gives me encouragement to make more videos. Thank you and goodbye.